Very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to see the topic mole concept. Mole concept. Mole is the SI unit to represent a specific amount of a substance. Generally, when we buy cakes in a bakery shop, we use one special name for our convenience. So, what is that? Dozen. In order to buy cake, apples, pencil, balls, bangles, we have used in the special name that is dozen. So, likewise, for counting molecules, particles, atoms in any chemical compounds, we use the special name that is mole. When we use the name mole, it is used for counting the molecules in an easy way. So 1 dozen means 12 numbers. Likewise, 1 mole equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 entities. 1 dozen roses means 12 roses. 1 dozen ball, 12 balls. 1 dozen apples, 12 apples. Likewise, 158.03 gram of potassium permanganate equal to 1 mole. Actually, 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 entities. 1 mole potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7 equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 entities. The molecular mass 294.18 gram. Okay. So what is the correct definition of mole? It is a standard value. So how to say that? The amount of the substance of a system which contains as many elementary particles as there are atoms in 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope. Actually, what is the meaning? So you have to take carbon 12 isotope. Carbon has 2 isotope, carbon 12, carbon 14. Exactly, we have to take carbon 12 isotope 12 grams. In a carbon 12 isotope, you have to measure 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope. That is equal to 1 mole. That is equal to 1 mole. The 1 mole equal to mass of the substance divided by mass of single atom. Mass of single atom. That formula we can use for any substance or any compound. Let us see the examples of carbon, glucose, potassium dichromate and potassium permanganate. The molecular mass of the substance taken: carbon 12, glucose 180, potassium dichromate 294.18 and potassium permanganate 158.03. Okay, how to calculate the 1 mole? Actually, in the numerator, mass of the substance. Numerator, mass of the substance 12 gram. So mass of single atom of carbon, that mass 1.9926 into 10 to the power minus 23. 10 to the power minus 23 equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, 1 mole. Likewise, glucose, mass of the substance 180 should be divided by mass of the molecule 29.89 into 10 to the power minus 23. Mass of the molecule of glucose 29.89 into 10 to the power minus 23. Actual value 1 mole, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7, mass of the substance 294.18. that value should be divided by 48.851 into 10 to the power minus 23. Actually, mass of a molecule equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Potassium permanganate 158.03 divided by mass of the molecule 26.242 into 10 to the power minus 23 equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, any substance mass should come in the numerator, and denominator mass of the atom or mass of the molecule. Finally, we can get 1 mole. Okay. Regarding the mole concept, we are going to see the antacid or gastric acid concentration level, how it is maintaining in our body. How the antacid is a tablet. It contains magnesium hydroxide or aluminum hydroxide. Usually the tablet name is Gelusil. Okay, mostly this tablet is used for stomach pain, heartburn and acidity, for that. Okay, so what is gastric acid? Gastric acid? Gastric acid is a digestive fluid formed in the stomach, and it contains hydrochloric acid. The gastric acid is present in our body. The gastric acid normal level is 0.082 molar. Suppose the level is increases, then the normal level, it brings heartburn and acidity, stomach upset. These are the problem will rise. So how to neutralize the excess acid by antacid tablet? These are the problems will be solved by mole concept. So mole concept we can apply in the antacid and gastric acid. So let us see. What is a chemical reaction takes place in antacid tablet? What is a chemical reaction takes place in antacid tablet? First we have to see the chemical reaction. Antacid tablet, what is it? Is nothing but Gelusil tablet. It contains aluminum hydroxide or magnesium hydroxide. These two compounds are base. We have known very well the gastric acid is nothing but hydrochloric acid. It is present in our stomach. Okay. Actually, a person take the tablet, what reaction take place in our body? The aluminum hydroxide reacts with 3 moles of hydrochloric acid. They give aluminum chloride and 3 moles of water. Magnesium hydroxide reacts with 2 moles hydrochloric acid, magnesium chloride and 2 moles of water. Okay. So from the equation, from the reaction, we know that 1 mole aluminum hydroxide reacts with 3 mole hydrochloric acid. The second equation, 1 mole magnesium hydroxide reacts with 2 mole hydrochloric acid. Now we can get the calculation. How much amount of acid neutralized by an antacid tablet that contains 250 milligram of aluminum hydroxide and 250 milligram of magnesium hydroxide? First, we should write the compound, the tablet: aluminum hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide. Second, mass in milligram. Aluminum hydroxide, how much milligram? 250 milligram. Magnesium hydroxide, 250 milligram. Okay. Molar mass of aluminum hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, we have to calculate. So how to calculate the molecular mass of aluminum hydroxide? Aluminum atomic mass 27, oxygen 3 oxygen, so 3 into 16 48, hydrogen 1, here 3 into 1 3, so total 78. Molecular mass of aluminum hydroxide 78. The same manner, magnesium hydroxide also we have to calculate. Magnesium 24, 2 oxygen, so 2 into 16 32, hydrogen 2, 2 into 1 2, total 58. Okay. By the calculation we got the value: aluminum hydroxide molecular mass 78, magnesium hydroxide 58. Just you apply here. Okay. When we know the molecular mass and mass of aluminum hydroxide and magnesium hydroxide, we can find the moles. Because, so another one formula, it is a main formula: moles equal to mass divided by molecular mass. Mass divided by molecular mass. So mass 250 milligram, molecular mass 78. So what's the value? 0.0032. When we divide the value, we can get it. The same manner, 250 divided by 58, 0.0043. Okay. By which we can find the number of moles OH minus ions. Here, aluminum hydroxide, OH minus ions denotes base. So 3 OH, the value should multiple with 3. Then only we can get the moles of OH minus ions, 0.0096. Here, how many OH are present? 2 OH. So the value 0.0043 should be multiple with 2, equal to 0.0086. So finally we can get 0.0182. That is total number of moles of OH minus ion from one tablet. So this tabular column shows the total number of moles of OH minus ion from one tablet, 0.0182. Okay. Now, how the one tablet neutralized the excess acid present in our stomach. Normal concentration of gastric acid, hydrochloric acid of a person is 0.082 molar. So normal concentration of gastric acid of a person is 0.082 molar. But when the concentration exceeds 0.1 molar, it causes the heartburn and acidity. So here normal level 0.082 molar, increasing level 0.1 molar. Okay. Actually, one tablet has 0.0182 moles of OH minus ions from the calculation. Through the tabular column, we got the values. That value is from one tablet is used to neutralize the excess acid, 0.1 molar. So you have to take a subtraction, 0.1 molar excess acid minus 0.0182. Actually this is acid, is one base, is base from tablet. So we can get 0.082 molar. 0.082 molar. Actually this value is equal to the normal concentration of gastric acid. So normal level, and the person used to take one tablet. So 0.082 molar acid, 0.082 molar base equal to neutral. I think you understood well. Thank you.